In this video, we will demonstrate cleaning and disinfecting clean room floors. Always follow your facility's protocol. To clean and disinfect clean room floors, use a single-use mop with a prepared cleaner. Start at the corner of the room furthest from the entryway, moving the damp mop using the place and pull method and overlapping strokes. Cover about 1 square meter before re-wetting the mop. Continue this process across the entire floor, working your way out of the room. Make sure not to step on any areas which have been cleaned. Another method commonly used for cleaning floors is the S-curve method. To perform the S-curve method, starting at the corner furthest from the entryway, with a damp mop, make your first pass along the wall edge. Begin the S-curve by walking backwards, moving the mop in an S shape, using overlapping strokes. Make sure to maintain one leading edge throughout the process. At this point, follow the same procedure using your facility's disinfectant.